Panasonic announced a new security camera for the home that is integrated into the shank of a floor lamp. The terrifying name of HomeHawk Floor is designed to be discreet. The idea is to allow you to monitor the interior of your home without the need for obvious cameras everywhere. Panasonic has launched an Indiegogo campaign to sell the lamp at prices starting at $185. The camera is capable of recording 1080p HD images through its 140-degree wide-angle lens at eye level. It has a motion sensor and the ability to save 2 seconds of recorded images before the sensor detects movement, a microphone and a speaker for bidirectional communication, and an application for iOS and Android. It works with the main voice assistants, which I suppose means Alexa and Google Assistant, although Panasonic has not yet signed those agreements. And it can run for 90 minutes with 8 AA batteries, in case the electricity goes out in your home. They integrate smart speakers and other sensors into everyday devices. But a camera is considerably different from, say, a motion sensor or even an intelligent speaker. There are many more privacy implications at play, especially considering that this type of product could be easily installed on an Airbnb rental.